turabona ko twoganye kidogo umwanya guhera kuri indege gushika niki ariko turabashimisha kukama mwitanga kwanyu no gutahura kuko nivyo iwacu byose ivyo nakoze cyane ndabashimiye kuba mwanaje mwikomera amashi yego yeah thanks for coming yego jije muri gwanyu rero
tutotangura n'ibibazo ariko byiza tugatumbe
Muna Kampala means a lady from Kampala, a beautiful sexy lady from Kampala. So anyone who stays in Kampala is called Muna Kampala. Yeah.
Ego. Ikibazo nashimwe abagiye cewe kijanye n'izina ya ego nibaza ko muribona abashoboye gukurikirana no kwita amajimo twagiye turagira guhera mu kwa gatanu nibaza ko mwagiye murabona twerekana uburanga n'ubwiza bw'u Burundi mu buryo butandukanye aho benshi bakunda kwita ibibanza by'ingenzi canke byo kuratira ingenzi nibaza ko nisho cyane niyo filosofia yacu yari rimwo harimo kwerekana ibintu muri sense positive twerekane ko hariho byiza byo kuraba no kuvuga no gukomanta ko no kumara kumwanya atari gusa kuma turi mu bintu by'inzara ukene n'ibindi nkenevyo kandi no gushigikirana positively mu gugaruka ariko muri rusange indirimbo ego ni album ariko harimo n'indimo yitwa ego ivuga ibintu bijanye na wedding life usenga ubuzima bwo kubaka niyo mpamvu mubona kuri no hariko meta cyangwa finger ring isigura inisha kintu kirimo harimo love that's yes for hope yes for love niyo meaning yo ya ego ariko no bigo majambo make muri ubwo buryo sinzi ko nashitenga mwashaka ego
Sunday, Dimanche, Selsano. Dimanche is going to be a very special day because it's my first time, and whenever I come to a country for the first time, I give it my all. I perform all my songs and the songs that you love and the ones that you don't know, but I give it my all. So get ready for fire. It's going to be a lit show, I promise you. I believe music is a language, and he's my brother. Right now they're discussing with the management, his management and my management. So believe big things are coming.
What about other stars?
Today?
What about other artists?
It's possible. At least I'm friends with Best Life. They have been to Uganda. They met me, and so I believe even some other people. If we meet, it's about connection. On doit connecter, voilà. Yeah. We need to connect as people, then we can connect as musicians.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we need to be friends.
Yeah.
How many songs? I have released over 30 songs. I've been singing for 3 years, and I have about 17 videos.
17. Yes,
My question goes to Ykee.
Yeah.
You said that you are Rwandan. Yes. Why don't you do your music in Rwanda? Why do you Rwandan?
Bon, thank you. I was born in Uganda, and I was born speaking English and Luganda. But my mother and my father are Rwandese. So that is why I sing mostly Luganda and English, because I was born around people who speak Luganda and English. Yeah. But my brother, who happens to be my manager, speaks Kinyarwanda very well because he was living in Rwanda. Yeah. But I know one thing. Music to go all over East Africa, for example, you need to push it. You understand? Either the song is too good that everyone likes it, or you come out. Like my brother, we met through music, so he's trying to push his brand in our country. I'm trying to push my brand furthermore in Burundi. So it begins with these connections. Sometimes you may not get the good song. Ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire que tu dois partir là-bas et faire les connexions et tout ça, voilà.
Thank you. Ikibazo mumbajije birasa kiretse ko ngeke ikindi mere gushama company ni kintu navuze cyane ari hano nashiye muri media tuba ndakivuga ari ikintu kiri muri mentalite muri filozofi y'abantu bene wacu nka mu Burundi kiragoye kwakuramo sinokitinya kukivuga no munsi sponsor itangwa ku kimenyane umva kubuca umufana n'umuntu niko sponsor itangwa birazwi kandi kumure ko bizohinduka mugabo uno munsi niko bimeze muri cyo muri ko n'umuntu kiri direct acumenga amafaranga guhaye nayo kugenda nko agosororeye nta kari business kuja kuri no backcall ko ari benefits kuri we abomenga nyine agumenga nzba namaye amafaranga yasama kuri Rivière no kuja no kwirira ikirori byumva nico kintu gihari muri filozofi muri benshi cyashatugoye cyane kuko henshi twagiye in touch nabo hari abatanga ama promise adashika usanga abasaba ibirengeye ivyo batanze umva byose biri mu bintu byabaye ariko twege nkuko tuyemeje kuvuga ati dukore bahaba cyangwa batahaba ntitwagarika kuririmba even if usanga bidusaba ingufu nyinshi kwitanga kuruha cyane ingufu nyinshi usanga ko dukoresha ingufu tutari bwinjiza ariko it doesn't matter umva bizogenda neza bahari cyangwa batahaba tuyoka abaririmbyi natumiye kumwakira publicly byasaba ko abumva umutima kuma ko bakwiye kwerekana kwakira neza mu nyamahanga babikora benshi barabizi no utabizi ino gahunda muri bo sino bavugira ko sinzi umwese gahunda bafise ngo yabinegirije cyangwa kumbure ko yafatiriwe sinto biteba ko cyane ariko umenye ko bari babizi tu benshi muri bo kumbure ko bafatiriwe.
Wow, I understand him. Well, when we started talking, I went on YouTube because for me music is about getting to know someone's style and how they sing, and he's a good vocalist, a very good vocalist. I enjoyed his you could think it was Randy's guy singing, so I enjoyed the music because I love Randy's music.
Yeah, thank you, by the way.
And then the other question was why the music doesn't play. I for one have traveled to Nigeria and worked with a few guys there. You find that our music is not playing there. Neither Burundi, not Uganda, not Tanzania. You go to Tanzania, Ugandan music doesn't play in Tanzania. Okay? You go to Rwanda, there Ugandan music plays, Tanzanian music plays, and Rwandi's music plays. So for me, I think it's about the setup of the system. In Uganda, Ugandan music plays, Rwandi's music plays, Nigerian music plays. It's vrai. Burundi's music has not played in Uganda. But it means what? We need to collaborate more. Why, tu sais pourquoi the Rwandese started playing in Uganda? Because of collaboration. Yes, the Ben, Shalina and Nina collaborated with Ugandans. So their music, Ugandan DJs started looking for the other songs. So ça commence comme ça. You would have to collaborate. Then you'll see the mistakes there along the way. But if we collaborate, good music is good music. They will find it. Yeah.
Après votre concert avec Masterland, would you help him to be played in Uganda?
He has to come for a media tour.
Of course.
Il doit savoir si toutes les choses bougent bien et on fait une chanson quoi, une chanson, ça veut dire il doit comment on dit, il doit venir à Ouganda et faire le média et tout ça.
Oui.
Comment on dit ça? Media tour in English.
Yeah, media tour.
Voilà. So he has to promote his brand there.
Of course.
Why did you choose Ykee Benda?
Ykee Benda. Nimbaza ko bijyanye na choice n'umurimbi personally nsanzwe nkunda uko aririmba nakunda ama melodies yiwe byose narumva ko kuko mu muvyo nifuza nka Masterland ndashaka gutera intambwe yindi ndashaka kuvaho narindi nimba ndi kuri step nkaja kuri next step byasaba yuko ntanka kwiyumvira birengeye imbibe z'u Burundi. Ivyo navyumvira muri nzira nyine harimo ama collaboration ugucreate ama ubugenzi relationships n'abantu bo hanze kugira ngo by'ukuri umuziki wacu utange kuja gukinira ko twese usanga yateye isoni you game mu kindi gihugu uzi ko uwo mustari wanyu mugo gasanga nta n'umuntu akwitayeho yateye isoni nashoboka ati reka turi kuntu twotangura ku creatinga some connections duhereye atwegereye hama harabayo kumushuzinga nawe arabaho kwemera requirement yacu niko novuga hama byagenze neza turahuza bisho byagenda neza nibaza ko ubu hasigaye ko turabikurikira ibyaheze byarabaye nyine umva ni a day before umva bizofasha cyane kugira ku uko kwesha umwanya neza nshimisha mbere concert yacu umwanya mwiza ndibaza yuko bazoba indinganizo yose ejo kumwe mwe muje gutagutumenyesha makuru bazobamenyesha byose ngene bimeze ejo hama kubganje nka Masterland baza ko nzofise performance nibaza ko izo bisumba izo nagize zose kandi nkine kwerekana mu mwanya wanje keshi kusanga ndiko ndarima mu tema nabaye invited bisanzwe bye bandi ariko nta umwanya nje gutegura ivyanje no chambe no bagira ko nzogera live music ivanze na half live music uba nibaza ko azoba ari performance ya never seen kuri jewe nibaza ko ari gihe kiza cyo kwerekana icyo mereye kukwinguza kwa mwege bamenyesha makuru twabiyumviriye ko nibaza ko nubundi ajye twahuriye no munsi nyo tuzohurira kiya gihe zya saha nyine saa 7 kuko agiye bikene ko muva muri midi mufunguye cyangwa iki bagiye gusenga ariko nkamwe kwinguza niko yanyene bazobatora hama no gutaba bashikane abazo bakuye kuko nibaza ko tuzokora na after party ama twege ku bwacu kenshi tukora kwihenda ama illusion ugasanga uriko expectinga ibintu utateguye kuko nago success iza by chance success ni kintu kiza yine bivuye mu na preparations ya preparations umva nibaza ko twiteguye neza cyane mu kintu kijanye no gutanga umwanya neza ko deja sound ejo bihari abari byose bazogira check sound ejo and turapanga neza yuko isaha 7 muri byo bambere mu DJ bazazoge ku stage kandi nejo made muzoronka kino kwita timetable ya event yose